So my name is Sapna. I graduated from Markham District High School, and through the Sparks program here at York, I've been doing some research in molecular biology at Professor Mark Bayfield's lab. Professor Bayfield's lab researches on the protein law protein, and they're trying to find more about this protein out. For example, what it does, where it binds, etc. And my project was trying to find out which part of the tRNA the law protein helps fold. It was very interesting. I've had previous lab experience, and this one was very different because it was molecular biology and the skills were different. I learned to set a DNA agarose gel, I learned to use the PCR machine and the centrifuge, and it was very different. And also because a lot of collaboration was involved between me and the other lab members, and I really felt like because of them I learned a lot more, since everyone's project was so different, but we all use the same techniques. I got to learn a lot. Professor Bayfield has been amazing because he helps me so much every day. You would not expect a professor to help a high school student so much, but every day, no matter what question I have, he will always answer with a smile on his face, and I couldn't have done it without him. Most definitely would be learning to use all the different machines. Though there aren't very many, I feel very uncomfortable. I felt very uncomfortable at first because other people also use the machines, not only in our lab but also the other labs. So I felt at first if I did something wrong, then everybody's research would go wrong, right? So that was definitely the most challenging, but now I feel very comfortable thanks to all the help from Dr. Bayfield and my lab members. Well, I find the best way to grasp these skills and techniques is by doing it. For example, if a lab member teaches me once, I still don't feel comfortable with it. I actually have to do it with myself and have them by my side and be like correcting me and teaching me the best way to optimize this methods, right? So I think the best way to learn these things is by doing it. And because I've been doing it each and every day, different skills, different methods, I feel pretty comfortable with all the techniques I've learned throughout the 2 months. Learning about everyone else's project, and this 2 months that I've been here, I found a lot of things out, but still there's a long way to go for this project, and I feel like science in general, it's a process. It's not like a 2-month journey and that's it. This project is going to go on for years. I feel like science takes a long time, but in the end, we do find good answers. For sure, any research experience is worthwhile because we discover so many new things every day. Be those little things or very big discoveries, they all help to make those big discoveries and to find answers to diseases, but to find cures, and it's really rewarding to be involved in this research experience. Researching is definitely very fun. It's very stimulating. It requires a lot of hard work, but it's very rewarding. And here at York, I find that everyone is very supportive. The staff, the students, even if you ask the same question twice, they'll always approach you in a very friendly way. And the deans, everyone is so wonderful here at York, and I really, really appreciated that. Well, here at York is a very beautiful university, and I encourage everyone to come check it out because it has amazing programs, it has a great reputation, and I really love my experience here. Every university in Canada is amazing. They all have different things to offer, and I definitely think research at York is one of York's biggest strengths. Well, the most valuable things I'll be able to take away are definitely the skills that I've learned, the basic skills that can be applied in any lab, and also the connections I've made with other people, be it other professors or other students, because I know that each one of these people will go on to do different things, and I will definitely be able to approach them in the future and ask them more about their research. Perhaps they'll be able to help me or I'll be able to help them. So the relationships I've made is really important to me. And it's been one of the most awesome experiences of my life. So I really encourage other students to apply for this program.